What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to set up direct deposits on your Revolut account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. So let's hop on to the subject. So how to set up direct deposits on your Revolut account, and as you can see in this specific case they use an example of the salary, which is a direct deposit also. You can receive transfers from your employer directly into your Revolut account in all of these currencies. So if you want to have your salary paid into your Revolut account, you'll need your account details. You can find them by following these steps. So you need to go to the home screen, then press on Add Money. Select the currency in which you want to receive the money by pressing the arrow pointing down, and press Change and scroll down and select Regular Bank Transfer. This will take you to selected currency details. You can share them with your employer and request your paycheck to be transferred there. A salary transfer is very similar to a regular transfer. For this reason, the time frames and fees will usually be the same. So basically, overall, if you didn't receive your salary, check with your employer or whatsoever. So you can easily set up direct deposits on Revolut. So as you can see, does Revolut accept direct deposits? So you can receive transfers from your employer directly into your Revolut account in a couple of currencies. If you want to have your salary paid into Revolut, you'll need your account details, as I showed you before. So overall guys, that would be it in this one tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it guys for today. Goodbye and see you in our next video.